Y'all ready? Now this is what you call a sandwich, baby. All right, y'all, so we are going to make this tender roast beef sandwich. I'm going to start by prepping my veggies. I am going to thinly slice a red bell pepper and an onion. Right, and then here is our roast that we're going to use. Going to season with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne, and paprika. Make sure you season generously because this is a big piece of meat and you want to season it on both sides. All right, next I'm going to coat the roast with flour on all sides, and I'm going to kind of press it in on medium-high heat. I have a cast iron skillet heating up. I'm going to add some vegetable oil, and then we are going to fry this just to brown it on all sides. All right, so when I flip it over on the other side, I'm going to add in my peppers and onions. I'm also going to add in some minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you'd like. All right, and then while my veggies are frying, I have my oven preheated to 350. I hope you guys are doing well. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. It really helps my channel. All right, so you don't want to fry your roast for too long, just a couple of minutes on each side, just to brown it, and this is going to help make the gravy for the meat to cook in. All right, and then I'm going to add in some beef broth to this. I'm going to cut the fire off, and then I'm going to add about half of this container in, and then we are going to cover with some foil, and we're going to bake this on 350. I'd say it was about 3 hours in total. You want to take your time and cook this slow and low. And if you want to add more seasonings, you can. I did wait to add a little more salt at the end, but I'm adding some garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. All right, so I'm going to cover with the foil. I am going to bake this on 350 for about 3 hours. I did every hour go in and check it. Halfway through, I flipped the meat over just to ensure that it's tender and cooked all the way through. All right, and then this is a roast that while it's about halfway through, I think this is when I flip it over and you can see it's already falling apart, but I need it to be tender, so I'm putting it back in here to finish doing its thing. I think I added a little more broth here, but a cook time of about 3 hours. If it takes you a little bit longer, just be patient because you want your roast to be tender. Yeah, so I'm adding some more broth here, gonna cover it back up and just let it do its thing. All right, so we have checked on our roast. Now we are going to make a garlic aioli, just some mayonnaise, some minced garlic, some lemon juice, some fresh chopped parsley. If you have dried parsley, that's okay. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. Just going to mix this up and then set it in the refrigerator. All right, y'all, so here is the roast. It is tender, it is flavorful. I did add a little bit of salt. You can add salt to your preference if you'd like. And then I am going to just toast up a roll, and then we are going to plate this thing. All right, so I'm going to put the garlic aioli on. I'm also going to add some pepper jack cheese. Gonna put our roast on there. It is so tender, y'all. And I put some pepperoncinis as well. And y'all gonna see me do a little taste test. This is good. I think these sandwiches are perfect for game day. The Super Bowl's on Sunday, so if you need an idea, you can make these on sliders or you can use the hoagie rolls, and this was good. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I appreciate you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.